The best way to extend your battery life in your golf cart or your deep cycle batteries is to add a high premium desulfator. What it's going to do is it's going to keep the sulfation off your plates throughout all seasons. It's come with a set of gloves and a free funnel as well. It's very simple. As you see, we got a set of golf cart batteries that is between 1 and 3 years old. You'll see that they're completely dead. We're gonna put a load test on it right here. See, completely dead on that one. Then we got some top granddaddy Trojans here as well. Look here, they got 0 volts. Then the next thing you want to do is we got our handy duty hydrometer here as well. We're gonna test the acid levels in here as well. Look at that, straight water. There's nothing in these batteries that is about 1 year old. On this set right here, here's another set that's about 3 years old right here. Straight water, guys. So to solve that problem, we're gonna dump out this old stuff. We're gonna add the high premium battery additive. We're gonna put the funnel in like this right here. And we simply is just gonna pour in each cell a gallon. 1 gallon does 1 battery in these deep cycle batteries right here. Now it's gonna take us about 20 hours to do this process. And when we're finished, we're gonna show you the results of this. But it's very simple. It's like changing the oil of your car. Just add a high premium battery additive. We got the reconditioning of these batteries that we did last night. We're gonna show you the results, how they came out. But guys, we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 16 batteries total that came out. The Trojan batteries did not take it all, but these Green Interstate did. We're gonna show you the results on these right here. Look at that, guys. It's not even budging. Holding that 12 volts on that one right there. Same as this as well. Holding that 12 volts. We're gonna do one more, but they all came out good. I could do any, many, mighty more, but they all came out good. Show you this one right here as well. All of them holding that 8 volts. They're not moving at all. So all the batteries came out good. We're gonna test them on a hydrometer as well. At 1300 on that one. Test this right here. Way above 1300 on that one too. Hydrometer on this one. Look at that, guys. 1300 on that one too. Got this one too. Look at this. That one right there too. Oh, that good as well. All the batteries came out good, guys. If you want to keep your golf cart batteries or your deep cycle batteries running through all season, especially during the winter season, make sure you jump on Amazon and read the 5-star reviews on these products right here, guys. Come with a funnel and a set of gloves as well. Free shipping. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.